Pharmaceutical CDMO 2.0 is here, transforming outsourcing into a platform-driven manufacturing model. The old CDMO model was transactional. The new model is integrated, faster, smarter, and strategic. In 2025 alone, CDMO investment hit $24.86 billion, with strong deal activity and rising regulatory pressure. GLP-1, ADCs, sterile fill finish, biologics, cell therapy, and AI are the hottest CDMO growth engines. 7 major forces are reshaping CDMO 2.0, from biologics demand to AI adoption and reshoring. Our CDMO 2.0 market report tracks growth, segmentation, company profiles, and future opportunities through 2034. Follow Pharma CDMO Intelligence for data-driven insights on capital, M&A, modality trends, and market winners. For more information, feel free to get in touch with us. You can email us at info@insightAceanalytic.com or call us on given number. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to visit our website at www.insightAceanalytic.com for more details.